Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP LaserJet M107W. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. So make sure the Wi-Fi light is highlighting here. Then you need to press this resume button for 2 seconds so that it will print out network configuration report. So press and hold this button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Then you release it. So it's printing out network information. It will show you configuration. On the second page at the bottom, it will show you Wi-Fi direct information. Enabled. Wi-Fi direct information, device name, IP address, current SSID, and network key. So this is how to print out network configuration reports. If you want to connect this to Wi-Fi direct, make sure that the light is off. So Wi-Fi light is off. Then you go to your mobile phone, go to your settings, go to connections, then select Wi-Fi network, direct HP LaserJet M107 on the list. Then you select on it, direct/D9/HP LaserJet M107. Enter the password. So we need to enter the password. At the bottom of the page, the information you need to key in. Checking the quality of your network. You will see this information. Internet may not be available. Then you select connect. Connected without network. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. If you want to print out a document, then you go to my file, select the document, select print, scroll down, and look for the printer HP LaserJet. Select on it, select print. This is the document we printed out. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct with your mobile device. And if you want to add it to your computer, select internet access. And once you select internet access, the next thing you need to do is you need to select manage Wi-Fi connection. It will show you from the list direct D9/HP LaserJet M107. It will show you connect automatically, remove connect automatically, and select connect. Then it will ask you to put the password. I have the password here. So I'm going to type the details. If you are happy with it, then you select next. Direct D9HP LaserJet M107W. No internet secure. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct with your mobile phone and laptop.